A very good evening, Singapore, and welcome again to another live trading session with me in marketpotentials.com. Now, if you're entirely new to Market Potentials, what we basically do here is we offer free tutorials on binary options trading, and the screen that you're looking at is actually a live trading screen on my trading account for binary options, which is on IQ Options. Now, okay, for new, beginners who have absolutely no idea what's going on here on the screen, what we are looking at is essentially Forex pair, which is the Australian dollar and the Canadian dollar Forex pair in a digital binary option trading setting, which is what we have got at the moment. Again, this is a live trading account, and yeah, you may look at the chart and may think, hey, what the hell is going on? But it's actually really not that hard to decipher. The first chart that you see is basically the currency movement, the Forex pair movement in itself. And the ones down here are just simple technical indicators that I'm going to use to try to time the trade correctly and hopefully end up making a profitable trade at the end of the day. Now I'm looking at this particular currency because I have seen, I've been eyeing it for a bit, and I do see some opportunity here that I would like to capitalize on. Now this is the 5-minute chart. This is the 2-minute chart. I typically use between these two to enter a trade. As you can see, I've been looking at the movement to try and decide when's the right time to go in. Now, the important thing to remember with binary options, the payouts can be really huge. So if you're looking at a $3,000 investment, you're looking at a 99% profit margin of a successful trade, which is huge. And it's an incredible amount of money for the amount of investment that you're putting in, basically. Now, I'm going to sit this one out and just watch the chart a little bit longer. Now, I'm going to just talk you through what exactly I'm looking for. I'm actually looking for a significant movement, just like the ones you see here, this huge jump here. Now, what you want to do is try to time it correctly and enter into the trade when the chart is significantly weak or significantly strong. That would be the best time to go in, because by the time your trade, so okay, the white line here is the purchase deadline, and the red line here is the expiry of your deadline, basically, if you did enter the trade. So what you want to try to do is get into the purchase deadline at either one of those positions when the chart is extremely strong or weak, so that the chances of a correction happening and you ending up on the right side of it is going to be much better. All right, so this one I'm going to sit this one out again, as I don't quite see the opportunity just yet, and also because the trade amount I'm putting in $3,000 for this trade in particular, so obviously the risk amount that I'm taking on is a little bit higher. But you can actually just start off with just $10 on the IQ option trading account. Just $10 to get started with, and opening the account is entirely free. You get started with a demo account, and you can then start with just trading $10. Just put in $10 and see how it works out for you. Okay, so I've got 20 seconds again to decide. Okay, might be a opportune time to get in very shortly. So what I try to do is I don't enter into the trade any earlier than I need to. In this time, like I entered into the trade maybe about 2 seconds to the expiry. What you want to do is you try to time it as close as possible, because there's no point entering into a trade much earlier, because your risk is now exposed to that much longer than necessary. So as you can see, I've got just about 10 seconds, and as long as the chart ends up being lower, which is going in the right direction that I want it to, I'm going to end up being profitable. And ka-ching, here we go, guys. That's in the money, basically. So $2,000, close to $3,000, or a 99% payout on the amount that we just put in. Again, this is a live trading account, and I'm showing you an exact video recording of my trading account as I just made that $3,000 basically is 100% profit. So $3,000 is the amount that I put in, and I just got it back doubled. All right, so basically it's huge, like I said. All right, so if you're looking to get started with binary options trading and earn a serious and a remarkable amount of money on the capital that you have invested, I would really do recommend that you guys get started on this now. Just hit the sign up button that you would see below, and you are pretty much on your journey to earning 100% return of investment on the capital that you put in. So that pretty much sums up my trade for the 28th of November. This is a live recording, as you see here, the timestamp and all. So a 99% payout on $3,000 is what I just made. All right, guys, till I'm back again on another trading video. Good luck and happy trading. Cheers.